If you're a teenager and broke, this might be the most important video you watch this year, because I'm about to show you how teens are making money online, even without experience. Before you skip this video, I want you to understand something very important. Most teenagers think making money is something that starts after school, after university, or after getting a job, but that belief is outdated. In 2026, the internet has completely changed the rules of earning money. Age is no longer a barrier. Experience is no longer a requirement. Even money to start is no longer necessary in many cases. What matters now is attention, consistency, problem solving, and the willingness to learn one simple skill at a time and stick with it long enough to see results. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how teenagers around the world are making real money using just their phones or laptops. These are not theories. These are practical methods that are already working right now, and in many cases, quietly changing lives while most people are still waiting for the perfect time to start. By the end of this video, you will understand not only how to make money as a teen, but also how to think differently about money, opportunity, and the internet so you don't waste years waiting for doors that are already open. Let's begin. The first thing you need to understand is that the world of money has changed permanently. In the past, income was controlled by physical jobs, offices, certificates, and long years of experience. People had to wait for opportunities, apply for jobs, go through interviews, and rely heavily on gatekeepers. Today, those barriers have been reduced dramatically because of the internet. Income is now controlled by attention, digital skills, and value delivery. If you can capture attention online, you can earn money. If you can solve a small problem for someone using digital tools, you can earn money. If you can entertain, educate, or inform people in a way that keeps them engaged, you can earn money. This is why teenagers actually have a hidden advantage that most adults overlook. Most teens already spend hours online every day. They understand trends faster, they adapt quickly to platforms, and they are naturally closer to digital culture. The difference between a teenager who makes money online and one who doesn't is not access, it is direction. Now let's go deep into the real ways teens are making money in 2026, starting with one of the most practical and realistic methods available today. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways a teenager can start earning online without needing money upfront. Freelancing simply means offering a service to someone online and getting paid for it directly. You are not applying for a traditional job. You are not waiting for permission. You are offering value in exchange for money. The interesting part is that most freelancing skills are simple enough for beginners to learn within a short period of time if they focus. Some of the most common beginner-friendly skills include video editing, graphic design, writing short captions, managing social media pages, creating thumbnails, and even doing simple voice recordings for content creators. To make this real for you, imagine a teenager who decides to learn video editing. They download a simple app like CapCut on their phone. At first, they do not know anything, but they spend a few days watching tutorials, practicing basic cuts, adding music, and learning transitions. After a week or two of consistent practice, they are already capable of editing short TikTok videos or YouTube shorts. Now here is where it becomes powerful. There are thousands of content creators online who do not have time to edit their own videos. They are willing to pay someone else to do it for them so they can focus on creating content. So this teenager simply offers a basic service, even if they start small, maybe earning $5 to $20 per video. They are already ahead of most people their age who are not earning anything at all. As they improve, their editing gets better, their speed increases, and their confidence grows. This allows them to gradually increase their pricing and attract better clients. The key lesson in freelancing is simple but extremely important. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to be useful. Most beginners fail because they try to learn too many skills at once or they wait until they feel ready. But readiness does not come before action. It comes after action. To start freelancing, a teenager only needs one clear process. Choose one skill. Learn the basics consistently for a short period. Create a few simple samples to show what you can do. And then start offering your service online or within your local network. Now let's move into another powerful method that is changing the lives of teenagers globally. Social media content creation is one of the most powerful income opportunities of this generation because it rewards attention more than anything else. The important thing to understand is that you do not need to show your face to succeed in this space. Many successful pages are faceless. They rely on storytelling, voiceovers, stock footage, animations, or simple text-based videos. Teenagers are creating content in areas such as motivation, education, finance tips, lifestyle advice, entertainment clips, and storytelling videos. The goal is not just to post randomly, but to consistently build an audience over time by providing value or entertainment in a repeatable format. At the beginning, growth is usually slow. Most people see very little engagement in the first days or weeks. This is where most beginners quit. But those who continue often experience a turning point where one video performs better than the rest and starts bringing attention to their page. From that point, growth becomes easier because platforms begin to push their content to more people. Once an audience is built, monetization becomes possible through multiple streams. These include affiliate marketing, brand deals, sponsorships, digital products, and platform monetization systems. For example, a teenager might start by posting one short video every day. At first, nobody watches. After some time, a few videos start gaining traction. Eventually, one video reaches thousands or even hundreds of thousands of views. That single moment can change everything because it brings attention, and attention is the foundation of online income. Consistency is the most important factor in this method. Talent matters less than persistence. Another method teenagers are using successfully is buying and reselling products for profit. This is one of the simplest business models in existence because it is based on understanding value differences. The idea is simple. You buy something at a lower price and sell it at a higher price. This can work with clothes, shoes, accessories, phones, gadgets, and many other physical items. In many communities, teenagers already do this informally without realizing it is a business model. For example, a teenager might find a shirt being sold cheaply in a local market. They buy it and then resell it to someone else at a higher price. Even if the profit is small, repeating the process consistently creates meaningful income over time. The key to success in reselling is not large capital. It is understanding demand, starting small, and building trust with buyers. Another entry-level method is simple online tasks. These include activities like surveys, micro-tasks, app testing, and small digital assignments. While this method does not generate large income, it is useful for beginners who want to experience online earning for the first time. It helps build confidence and introduces the concept of digital work. Many teenagers use this stage as a stepping stone while learning higher income skills in the background. Now we move into a more advanced and powerful method known as affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a system where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. The powerful part of affiliate marketing is that you do not need to create a product. You do not need to handle delivery or customer service. Your job is simply to connect buyers with products through marketing. Teenagers use platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts to promote products in creative and engaging ways. They create short videos showing how a product solves a problem or improves someone's life. When viewers are interested, they click the link and make a purchase. The teenager earns a commission from that sale. When affiliate marketing is combined with content creation, it becomes extremely powerful because content drives traffic and traffic drives sales. Now let's slow down and talk about something very important that most beginners ignore. Most teenagers fail not because these methods do not work, but because they misunderstand how success actually happens. The biggest mistake is expecting instant results. Online income takes time to build. Another major mistake is constantly switching between methods without giving any single method enough time to work. If you spend 1 week on freelancing, another week on content creation, and another week on reselling, you will never build momentum. You will always remain a beginner. Success comes from focus, repetition, and consistency over time. The smartest strategy is to start with one method, practice it daily, improve gradually, and stay consistent long enough to see results. Once small income starts coming in, you can expand into other methods. Now let's bring everything together into a clear action direction. First, choose one method from everything discussed in this video. Second, commit to learning the basics for a few days. Third, take immediate action instead of waiting for perfection. Fourth, Stay consistent for at least 30 days without quitting or changing direction. If you follow this process seriously, you will already be ahead of most teenagers who never take action at all. Before we end this video, I want you to understand something deeply. You are living in a time where opportunities are more available than ever before in human history. You do not need permission to start. You do not need a job to begin. You do not need money to take the first step in most of these methods. What you need is action. Your phone is not just a device for entertainment. It is a tool that can either waste your time or build your future depending on how you use it. The difference between people who succeed and people who don't is not intelligence, background, or luck. It is action combined with consistency over time. So after watching this video, do not just move on to something else. Decide what you are going to do next and take the first step immediately. Because your financial future as a teenager does not start someday in the future. It starts with the decision you make today.